In this video, I'll guide you through how to apply for an RBC Royal Bank of Canada credit card. Whether you're looking for travel rewards, cashback, low interest rates, or a student card, RBC offers a variety of options to suit your needs. Let's dive right in and get started on your application process. First, you'll want to navigate to the RBC credit cards page. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all the credit cards RBC has to offer. Take your time browsing through the available options. Consider what benefits align best with your lifestyle and financial goals. Perhaps you're interested in earning travel points for your next vacation, or maybe a cashback card is more your style. Once you've decided on the card that fits your needs, click on the Apply Online button. Now it's time to enter your personal information. This includes your full name, address, phone number, date of birth, and income details. Providing accurate information is crucial as it helps RBC assess your application correctly. If prompted, be ready to enter your employment and financial information as well. This might include details about your current job, your annual income, and any other pertinent financial information that could influence your creditworthiness. Additionally, you may be asked to provide identification details such as your social insurance number or a government-issued ID. This step helps verify your identity and ensures that your application is processed smoothly. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, it's important to review your application carefully. Make sure everything is accurate and complete, as errors could delay the process. After reviewing, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions outlined by RBC. Next, you can submit your application for review. At this point, RBC will evaluate the information you've provided. Sometimes they may approve your application instantly. In other cases, they might request additional verification documents before making a final decision. Don't worry if this happens, it's just part of the process to ensure everything checks out. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your RBC credit card in the mail at the address you provided. Keep an eye on your mailbox as it should arrive within a few business days. And that's how to apply for an RBC Royal Bank of Canada credit card. It's a straightforward process, and now you're all set to enjoy the benefits that come with being an RBC cardholder. Thanks for watching and happy spending.